So I really need to know whether or not bankruptcy makes any sense for me.
Jeff Miller is deep in debt. He's getting advice from a credit counselor.
You've got this plan in your back pocket, but you're not going to use it until you have to.
Miller isn't happy to hear that there are new penalties for missing a credit card payment.
I struggle like most people, I think, and I make my minimum payments.
Both TD and CIBC are raising the interest rate for cardholders who miss 2 payments in a row. The change affects the TD Emerald Visa and the CIBC AeroGold Visa. The rate on purchases will go up from 21% to 24.99% and all the way up to 27.99% for cash advances. So far, it's just the 2 banks making the change. But given how often the banks seem to move in lockstep, observers are wondering if the others won't be far behind. A recent poll by BMO showed that almost half of Canadian credit card holders are carrying debt, and 30% don't pay their entire bill every month.
Say you're carrying $5,000 on one of these credit cards. At 21%, which would be the current rate, you'd be paying $1,050 in your interest. But when you jump up to 25%, that's an increase of $200.
Keith Emery is with Credit Canada.
If you have room on another type of credit, say it was a mortgage or even a line of credit at a lower rate of interest, we would obviously suggest that you immediately shift all of your debt over to that lower interest vehicle.
Jeff Miller calls the new rates punishing.
Yeah, am I mad? Yeah, I am. Is there anything I can do about it? Find a way to make a lot of money or rob a bank, I guess. So, which I don't plan to do.
Looks like more consumers will need to be religious about making at least the minimum required payment every month. Dianne Buckner, CBC News, Toronto.